Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Complete home renovation. How it is to live in a complete crazy home renovation. Woo! What's up, everybody? Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing. Woo! Me today. What's up, everybody? I just felt like making a little video. I've been getting a lot of views for this little YouTube channel of mine on how to fix cracked, blocked basement walls. Alright, I'm going to do you a big one, alright? I'm going to take some time this coming up week. So today is February 19th, 2021, alright? It is the start of spring for some people, the start of unthawing for a lot of people if you live in the northern states like I do. So, it's a long process. I have a little basement area, but trying to live in this fixer-upper, work in this fixer-upper, and maintain and doing everything else and saving money and doing things and yada yada yada. So, I'm going to take the time to go through every step I actually did to take it from crap to wall membrane, to why I did the wall membrane, to why I'm using the Pink Panther insulation, that's right, and so on and so on and so on, and how I did my sub pit, my basin, my drainage for my water drainage. I'm just a homeowner, so I'm going to give you all the tips and advice that I can give you step through step. So it's going to take me a little bit to put this video together. So if you are a homeowner and you want to tackle this job yourself and dig out a jackhammer and start jackhammering up your basement floor, it's a long process, especially if you're a one man or one lady, or it's a husband, wife, or a couple, or anything. But it is rewarding in the long run. And we are finally starting to put up some basement walls for this framework. Exciting. And down there, just waiting for my plumber. That's right, I got a plumber coming in next week. And me and him are going to jackhammer up all this basement floor in this area. Simplest thing I can say is this is sort of a rough blueprint dry eraser board. We're going to be putting in a toilet, a sink, washer and dryer hookups, shower over there. Actually, there's the big shower. We haven't taken it out of the box yet, but hopefully when we take it out of the box, she'll be really nice. That is going to be going over in this area of the bathroom slash laundry room slash utility room. We are going to be getting rid of our propane water heater. It's a newer one, and the only reason is I'm going to switch over to electric. Yes, there is a lot of differences on propane and electric and yada yada yada, which one heats up better, yada yada. But I don't want to be fluting it out of my chimney no more. I want to go away with that. And I don't want to be getting a blower vent to blow it outside the house. So I'm going to be going with an electric. That's just my preference. We're still using that big old bathtub over there to bathe. And she's coming along. It's a long process. So I will go through really into a lot of details on everything from how we started and where we are now. And I will give you all of my points, my tips, my advice, what products I used, what products I liked, what products I didn't like. I will point you in directions of tools that will not break the wallet. And yeah, and I will go through what paints I found that work really well if you want to paint your walls afterwards to seal them. And yeah, we'll take it from there. I just seen I get a little bit of views on those how to fix your cracked walls, how to put in a French drain system for your floor, for your basement, so your water can go out of the house. And like I said, I'm just a regular Joe trying to make a video for y'all. So bear with me. We'll put something together that will be user-friendly, and it'll probably be a little bit more advice than you really want, or maybe it'll be perfect for you. But and if you're a contractor, this ain't a video for you. And if you're a basement remodeler, this ain't a video for you either. This is a video for homeowners that want to tackle something like this on their own. Now, I did hire out some work, and I did hire out to get basement wall anchors put in. And the only reason I did that is because this is a one-man show. So that helped. That saved me my time. I paid a little extra. I think for total we had about $7,500 worth of wall anchors put in, which is a lot of money. Now, there is all kinds of ways you can do that yourself. I just, with everything else going on, I didn't want to mess with it. So I was going to just get some I-beams, order I-beams, and do it myself while I was digging everything out and brace those and yada yada yada. But I decided not to. They came in, they were here for a day, they were out, and then I just kept doing my thing. And at least I was able to set up a payment plan with the company that I went with, so that actually made it a lot easier for the wallet. And I just paid $100 a week until it was paid for. I will start making a little bit more videos on this, but I really want to put a good video together. Look for it. It'll be out in a week from now. So next week after it's like I said, it's February 19th, 2021. Look for it. I will put out a video for you and make that for you. And what is that? That's my sub pit, my basin doing its work, pulling the water out. Oh, and right before I get off, we will be, right now, of course, I just have my basin over there in the corner. Finally got it in the ground, got it working, and since it's still been really, I mean, it's all snow and ice in Minnesota still, so I haven't did all my plumbing up alongside that wall. That's why I don't have my wall membrane in that corner completely done yet, and my pink foam all the way done yet, because when I go to frame and all that, and sending everything outside. And then we picked up a battery backup, I was tired, I can't even think. I was tired. A battery backup sub pump. So I will be installing that. I'll show you a detail on that, why I'm using the one I'm using, and we'll go from there. So sorry if this video was boring and crappy and everything else, but that's what it is. So if you do follow along, thank you for following along. And this is going to be our future basement that we are going to love and cherish for years to come. Oh, look for some more videos on how to put a subfloor down in your basement. That's right. Let's just go down and look. See? Not this. That's just my, so I can walk on it and my dog won't hurt his paws. But this is my new subfloor. But I got a mess of everything. So, stay tuned to Woo Me today. And I will give you all kinds of videos this year that you can use, that you could start tackling some indoor and outdoor projects. But I'll tell you, brothers and sisters, if you're going to tackle your basement, make that your priority. If you have a wet basement, make that your priority. Put that on your list for a whole year project. That way, I know you might have all those outside projects that you want to work on, as I do too. I still got about 100 plus feet of privacy fence to put up. All my roofing, all my siding, and putting windows in. And my man cave, my garage. Woo! But I also want a nice clean basement. Have yourselves a great week whenever you're watching this. I'm out of here. I got to get to pulling out and demoing some more walls. I got to get ready to take this furnace apart. I got most of my cold air return taken apart. And then I got to move wires. I got to move all my temporary plumbing so I can start framing up some walls in here. And do away with all these walls and make it some more room so I can walk. And start insulating some more walls. And I'm not really excited to insulate because who likes insulating with wool? Wool insulation. That stuff's expensive, but it does the rim joists good. That's right, the rim joists. Give it a good rim. Woo! You know what I'm talking about.